Hey there, adventure seekers! Today, we're embarking on a mission to uncover one of Italy's best-kept secrets, the hidden beach at the Fiordo di Furore. Picture this, a natural fjord formed by Mother Nature herself, surrounded by towering cliffs and breathtaking rock formations. This secluded gem can only be reached by foot or by boat, adding an extra dash of adventure to our quest. The water here is so clear you can see your own excitement reflected in it. And get this, thrill seekers flock to this spot for epic cliff diving and other water sports. But wait, there's more. If you're up for a little hike, trek up to the top of the fjord for an awe-inspiring view that'll leave you breathless. And trust me, you'll want to snap a selfie up there. So, fellow adventurers, let's not waste another minute. Grab your swimsuits, hop on a boat, and join me at the hidden beach behind Furore's fjord. Together, we'll create memories to last a lifetime.